The book I am doing for my book talk is called Sweet Farts by Raymond Bean. The genre of Sweet Farts is realistic fiction. Main characters! Keith is the main character in this book. He's just a normal kid that gets blamed for Anthony's farts. And also he is now called SBD, also known as Silent But Deadly. Anthony Papas is the kid that blames Keith for his farts. Problems. One of the problems in this book is Keith's classmate Anthony farts in class and Keith gets blamed for it. Another problem in this book is when Keith tells Mr. Sheriff, his teacher, his science fair project idea. He thinks it's a joke and he sends him to the principal's office. Another problem in this book is that when Keith's principal lets him do the idea because of Benjamin Franklin thought of it, he has to smell farts, and also it's going to be a hard idea. Another problem in this book is that when Keith's principal lets him do the project, he's stuck with it, so he cannot change his idea. Settings. One of the settings in this book is Keith's school. It doesn't say the name of it. Another setting in this book is Keith's house. It doesn't say where he lives, and it doesn't say what town he lives in. Plots. First thing that happens in this book is that Keith goes to school and Anthony Papas, the person who sits in front of him, farts, and then he blames it on Keith. And he's now called Silent But Deadly, also known as SBD. The second thing that happens in this book is that Keith has to find a science fair project for a science fair. And he takes the topic of how to make farts smell good. When Keith hands the project idea into Mr. Sheriff, his teacher, it gets disapproved. And then he has to go to the principal's office because he thought it was a joke. After that, he talks to the principal about it, and he was serious about it. And apparently Benjamin Franklin thought of it. And so he's stuck with the idea and he has to finish it. And since Benjamin Franklin thought of it and he never succeeded, he thought it was going to be really hard. And also he had to smell people's farts to see if it worked. To see if Keith gets in trouble for the science project or something, or he actually hears smelly farts, we have to read the book. The end.